It's me, Leah, and I love my carpets, and I love this carpet set that I got for my kitchen. This is the color charcoal, and this is a 2-piece set. Let's open this up and check it out, and let's get this all in my kitchen and set up. And these are actually pet friendly too, so my pets can sit on it, and it's great to have. So it comes in 2 sizes, 20 by 30 and 20 by 59. And the color charcoal. And it has a nice like print on it. So let's set this up in my kitchen and let's see what it looks like. This is a charcoal color, and it has a beautiful pattern, and it has the anti-slip on the bottom, so it's not going to slip. It's dog friendly, as you can see my little fellers like sitting on it. I got this free for review, and my kitchen is nicely decorated with these. Again, I got these free for review, and I highly recommend. My dogs love laying on them. I have a nice carpet to stand on between my stove and my sink. It's a nice soft carpet to stand on with the no slip, and yeah, I highly recommend.